Hey there and welcome. This section is going to teach you React.js from the ground up. No prior React knowledge needed. React is arguably the most popular library for building modern, feature-rich, and highly interactive user interfaces. We're going to explore all the basics and core concepts you need to know to work with React. By the end, you'll be able to start building your own basic React applications. We'll explore the fundamentals by building a complete demo project. As we go, step by step, you'll learn all the key concepts you must know to work with React. What exactly is React? The official website says, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. That's a nice sentence, but what does it actually mean? Well, obviously it's a JavaScript library, so we'll be writing JavaScript code. We use React in conjunction with our own JavaScript code, but its main purpose is to help us build user interfaces, specifically highly interactive user interfaces. You don't necessarily need React for a simple web page where not much is happening. But if you're building a more interactive website, like the demo project we're about to build, then React.js can be a huge help, vastly simplifying the code you have to write. You don't need to understand them yet, but you can probably see that we have some clear instructions, some clean code, and most importantly, some HTML code blended right into the JavaScript code. This is a key feature supported by React and the projects we'll be working in, as you'll also learn in this video. Let's compare this to raw vanilla JavaScript. With vanilla JavaScript, we have a series of step-by-step instructions. We tell the browser exactly what to do: add an event listener, create a new HTML element, configure it, and where to add it. This is what we call the imperative approach. We give the browser step-by-step instructions, simply describing what it should do. On the other hand, when using React, a major benefit is that we're able to write declarative code. We simply write the code for the UI that should be on the screen. We can blend in some syntax like event listeners or dynamic values directly into that HTML code. We can also combine it with extra React features where we define different states and the circumstances under which those states should be active. React.js then takes care of generating the appropriate imperative instructions for the browser behind the scenes. As a developer, we don't have to write those step-by-step instructions ourselves. This is one of the major benefits highlighted on the React.js website, the fact that you write declarative code when working with React. Again, this is just a simple example, but that's one of the major advantages of using React. We can often write much simpler code and, as a result, build way more powerful user interfaces. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.